Inside every factory, 5 things flow: water, air, gas, electricity, steam. What if 4 to 8% of your utility spend is waste you can't see? Leaks, pressure drops, and idle equipment running 24/7 undetected. Invisible losses accumulate quietly every single day, like a compressed air leak silently wasting hundreds of cubic meters through lunchtime, or undetected power failures causing critical downtime. Energy to steam to water. Waste in one system cascades across all. By the time the monthly report arrives, the damage is already done. Today, most factories still run on manual rounds, with staff noting readings on clipboards 2 or 3 times a day. Data goes into Excel, resulting in errors, gaps, and delays. Maintenance is reactive, acting only after something breaks. The result? No real-time visibility, no control, and no optimization. There is a different way. It's time to shift from monitoring to control, and from reactive to predictive, to turn a cost center into an optimization lever. Introducing W.A.G.E.S. A web of Wi-Fi sensors installed directly onto your existing infrastructure, with no proprietary infrastructure needed. 5 resource streams flow into one centralized system, continuously analyzed every single minute. It detects anomalies instantly, like a sudden water leak or failing steam trap, preventing massive losses before they hit your bill. You can issue commands automatically through remote actuation from any device, anywhere. And with open APIs, you retain total sovereign control. Your data is always yours. Achieve up to a 6% reduction in utility bills. Experience 99.97% system uptime, driven by over 2.4 million data points collected every week. Control begins with visibility. W.A.G.E.S. Reach out to measure at I-Dacs.com.